Guys, Cube here and welcome to another Rubik's Cube pattern video on my channel, and today we are going to make these cool looking patterns on 5x5 and 7x7. I call it cube in a checkered cube pattern. So let's get started. These are going to be long L's, so be ready for that. We'll first start with 5x5 and then we will do it on 7x7. So we'll do an alg. So the alg is like this: U, D prime, R2, D2, L prime, R, B prime, F, L prime, R, B. These three middle layers twice, B prime, F, this inner layer twice, F prime, L, R prime, F, this inner layer twice, B, F prime, all three middle layers twice, the single middle layer twice, F prime, L, R prime, F, this middle layer twice, F prime, D2, R2, U prime, D, these two layers, D, L2, D prime, R, B prime, L2, F, D prime, R2, it's U, L prime, F, R2, F prime, and R prime. And it's complete on a 5x5. On 7x7 it's more longer alg than which we did on 5x5. So start with D, R prime, U, B2, L prime, these 5 middle layers to the left, which means E prime. Okay, then this single left layer, then this third layer from D side to the right, then R, okay, then M prime, the single layer, then this third upper layer anti-clockwise, then R prime, then these three layers clockwise, then this layer twice, then this middle layer to the right, then this down layer to the right, then this layer, then U prime from the inner layer, then this inner layer, and then this layer, then left, then B2, U prime, R, D. Now we'll do these three layers, okay, on the front side: 3F2, 3D2, 3R2, 3F prime, 3L2, 3B, 3U, 3R prime, 3U, 3R prime, 3U, 3R prime, 3B prime, 3L2, 3F prime, then B, F prime, then D2, B2, R prime, then this inner layer from D twice, okay, and then this middle layer twice, and this top layer twice, then R, U, D prime, R prime, then this layer twice, the middle layer twice, then this layer also twice, then R, U prime, D, B2, D2, R2, F2, L, R prime, U prime, the second layer twice, U, R, L prime, U prime, second layer twice, U, F2, R2, B prime, and F. And if you see, this pattern is complete on a 7x7. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye. Fi amanillah.